Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you some simple methods using which you can fix certificate errors in Windows. So let's get started. In the first method, search for date and time settings. Once here, make sure that the date, time and time zone is correct as per your native, and finally sync the date. In the next method, search for services. From here, locate the Windows Time service. Double click on it and set the startup type to automatic and save the change. Now restart the service once. In the next method, search for internet options. Go to the advanced tab and restore the settings clicking here. Now go to the connections tab, click on LAN settings and make sure this option is checkmarked and save the change and see whether the issue gets resolved or not. In the next method, search for internet options again. From here, go to advanced and uncheck one about certificate address mismatch option. Then find check for server certificate revocation and uncheck it as well and save the change. Now again open internet options. From here go to security. Now manually paste or type the address of the URL you are facing the issue with and click on close. Now go to content and clear SSL certificate. That's it. Now restart your system for the changes to take effect. In the final method, open Windows Explorer. Go to this PC. Go to your C drive. Go to users folder and here you'll find a folder similar to this. Simply delete this folder. Once you delete the folder, restart your PC and this should fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.